أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي اللهم افتح علينا حكمتك وانشر علينا رحمتك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام اللهم إني أسألك علما نافعا وعملا متقبلا ورزقا طيبا اللهم اعفني في بدني اللهم اعفني في سمعي اللهم اعفني بصري لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to teach you that how to use Microsoft Whiteboard. Let's take a start. Okay, first of all, I'm going to write my objectives over here because I have to use this whiteboard in my class. So before going to do over there, I will use this. Yeah, and then I can write my objectives. Objectives. We can say is our learning objectives. Okay. After that, I press enter. Okay, G. Data and information. Okay, and then what else? Okay, we'll be able to understand the website. Okay, then here you can put arrows over here. I'm going to click here and I want to add let's see this arrow. Let's try this. The sticky note, I cannot add this. I can do like that. Yes. Okay, this is hollow and yeah. By selecting these colors you can change this. This is fill, circle, and this is outer border line. Okay, that's fine. This is to put it over here, and yes. What if I want to increase its width? Can make yes. Okay, G looks good. Let me put it over here. Okay, fine. These are our objectives that I'm going to achieve in my today's lesson. Yes. Okay. After that, learner will be able to understand the difference between the data and information. We have to manage this before going to take our class, conduct our class. So when I will move forward, look here, just like presentation. Next पे click करूँगा, just click hold and drag over here. We will move to the next slide. So here I will write. Okay, जी, I will ask questions from my students that what is data? What is data? ठीक है, ये आगे what is data, then I will use click here. I will use different arrows over here, and I will connect these arrows like that. We can move this. Excuse me, don't go there. Just wanna move you over here. Yeah. What is data? Okay. Now, after that, I will get a feedback from a student. I even can ask my students, please write your answer over here. What do you know about data? And what do you know about information? So first of all, click on text and I will write over here information. Okay. So for example, data is raw facts or figures. So student can give answer and then I will write over here. So for example, if I will say something over here. For example, data is what? Data is okay. Then let me resize this. You like that. Okay, unorganized figures. Let me use over here. Okay, unorganized facts or figures. Okay, organized ऊपर चला गया. Okay, now then what are the examples of this? For example, unorganized data is called unorganized facts or figures are called data. The examples are over here. I'm going to write examples over here. Let me write. Select text. Click here and let me write examples over here. For example, later on I will show this slide. मैं इसकी multiple copies बना सकता हूँ. एक ये I will show them over here by asking question, then I will create another one over here. ठीक है, so that they can see the answer later on. ठीक है, लेकिन for teaching purpose I'm doing everything over here. I can write these answer in next slide over here. ठीक है, with the same formation. No, let me put one more this arrow over here, and let me make some adjustment. Yeah, like that. Okay, you need practice. It's very interesting, but before going to deliver your lecture, you need to prepare this. Okay, after that I have to write examples over it. For example, किसी ने मुझे कोई example दे दी, roll number. We don't know, we are talking about your age, my age, or anyone else age. ठीक है, it's only age. This is just a data. So like roll number, it's not defined कि ये किसका रोल नंबर है. It's just a roll number over here. ठीक है, so this is data. We are collecting this data. For example, name हो गया, first name, last name, email. We can write even email over here, password over here. These all are the examples of data. When we will process, when we apply processing on this data, it will become information. That's it. Process data is called information. Let me click here, and I will write over here, processed data is called info. ठीक है, let me arrange this, let me bring it over here. Okay, if I got that, if we got the answer, then we will step forward to the next slide. Click here, drag, and move to the next slide, and at the end I will write over here. Okay, this is my sticky note. I will write over here, thank you. Okay ji, now let me check my presentation. I have started this from here, and then I can move like that. ना बेटा, वापस go back. Okay, hopefully you have learned something. The usage of pencil, you can select this pencil and you can use it. This is eraser if you want to erase something. So let me click on this. What we have over here, export into a PNG, and then other participant can edit. Yes, they can edit. Let me close that. Okay, now let me export this. Okay, it will appear over here. Let me open this, and then I'm going to stop this recording. Show in a folder file. Let me open this. This is my whole presentation. You can even share this with students later on. देख रहे हैं आप, इंटरेस्टिंग है ना वाइट बोर्ड. थैंक यू सर नोमान जान, एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन. थैंक यू सजाद साहब, थैंक यू एवरीवन. ओके जी, लॉन्ग लिव पाकिस्तान. टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. अफ्तारी की प्रिपरेशन करें जनाब, नमाज़ पढ़ें.